Welcome to ERPCube, your integrated enterprise platform. In this video, we will walk you through the timesheet module, a powerful tool designed to help you log, track, and manage your daily work with precision and ease. Access to ERPCube begins with a secure login. After entering your credentials, the system will prompt you for two-factor authentication, ensuring that your data and your organization's information remain protected at all times. Once logged in, the timesheet module opens to the calendar view, your central workspace for time logging. Each day on the calendar is color-coded to give you an at-a-glance status. Red indicates that less than 8 hours have been logged. Green confirms 8 hours are complete. Yellow signals that more than 8 hours have been recorded for that day. To log a task, select a date. Task entry is available for today and up to the past 7 days. Future dates are intentionally restricted. The task form captures the task title, a work summary, start and end times, the activity name, work location, and a detailed description. Importantly, you can toggle between time range mode, entering a specific start and end time, and time duration mode, where you simply log the total hours and minutes. This flexibility ensures accurate logging regardless of how you prefer to work. To log multiple tasks for the same day, click Add Entry to append additional rows. When all entries are complete, click Save to confirm. Clicking any date expands all tasks logged for that day, including the total task count, total time logged, and Teams call details. Microsoft Teams meetings are fetched and populated automatically and cannot be edited. For manually created tasks, you have full control. You can edit, clone, or delete each entry. The clone function is particularly useful for recurring work. It duplicates an existing task onto a new date of your choice, making it simple to log the same activity across multiple days. The timesheet module offers 4 flexible views to suit your workflow: weekly, daily, agenda, and table. Use the today, back, and next controls to navigate across months, weeks, or days, depending on the active view. The table view is particularly useful for a structured overview, displaying dates, total task entries, total minutes logged, work hours, and the current status, all in a clean, scannable format. The timesheet module is built to make daily time tracking accurate, effortless, and transparent for individuals and teams alike. For further support, please contact your system administrator or refer to the ERPCube knowledge base.